Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another unboxing video. Today it's actually going to be some more tech. It's going to be the AirPods Pro. So I actually ended up returning my Jabra Elite 75Ts. The left earbud could not connect to my phone for some reason and wouldn't charge either. So instead I ended up purchasing these instead. So to start, classic box, labeling, and there's actually tape here so you can take it all apart from the plastic wrap. I bought this off of Amazon for $180. And for those of you wondering, yes, Amazon is an authorized Apple retailer. And one of the big reasons these were $170, $180 instead of $200 whatever dollars on the Apple website is because Amazon buys these in bulk. And they also don't allow special things like engraving, so that changes the cost as well. So you got a nice opening, tight box. Here you can see designed in California. That's awesome. And then you have a nice little pull tab here for the case. So here you have your plug in for the cable so that you can charge your AirPods. Goes there, and then they go right in here. So one for each side, and these are magnetized as well, so they clip in really nice. And these also function through, or these also charge through a wireless pad if you have one. Go through the rest of the box. Here is your charging cable. And then underneath here are your extra buds for fitment purposes. And then here's a slight little graphic on how they go in and out. So to close out this review, I really like these. I used them on my flight, and by the time my flight was done, which was about 3.5 hours long, the AirPods Pro still had about half their battery left. And the best part was that because they also have an iPhone, the connection through Bluetooth was actually seamless, which was really awesome. And then the other cool thing is when you first install, or when you first start using your AirPods Pro, there's actually an option to get the earbuds to fit perfectly within your ear, and some sort of test is conducted. But other than that, I highly recommend these. They're definitely worth the price. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next.